My name is Fiu Faiu. I'm from the island of Samoa. I came here blind because they don't have anything to do with my eye from the island. So when I came down, I met Dr. Mallika Goyal, and she was the one, she's the hero to me. She did all the things for me. She did my operation, and I am so happy that I met a good doctor. Now I'm gonna go on Wednesday to Samoa without any blind, and I'm okay. My eye is okay, 100% good. And I wanted to thank Apollo Hospital. We're happy, and we are all appreciate the help that Apollo Hospital gave to us. And one thing that I wanted to tell Dr. Malik, may the blessing of the Lord be with you. Bless you with everything and every operation that you do for all the islanders and all the people that they came down to seek help from you. Dr. Malik, I don't have any other word to say thank you to you for your help and your kindness and the whole staff over here at Apollo. We appreciate and we are happy to see you all. I hope one day we'll come back again for another treatment, and then we need to see you again. And I'm happy too to Malik and all the staff over there at the operation room. You did a great job. We're so happy, and we're happy to see you again. Thank you.